Hey everybody, this video got a Kwikset Smartkey Deadbolt. This one's got some pretty badass speed holes in it, and I don't have a key for it, but we'll see if we can get it picked and then program it to a key and then gut it. That'll be the plan anyway. Pick and my fat pry bar 50 thousandths. There we go. So it's got a lot of slop to it. Some of these do. And this will be the last sidebar lock that I tackle for a while, probably. A couple of Medicos recently picked. I can go back to picking locks that I actually enjoy picking, like anything but Medico and Smartkey. Actually got some American locks that I would like to pick. Haven't picked one of those in a while. Alright, so we're close here. It's got a bunch of rotation on it. Just gotta go through and find the one that's not stuck. I'm sorry, find the one that is stuck. The ones that move around are in the right gate, and the one that's bound up is the one that's not in the right gate. Feels like that one. I'll just move it to another gate. And of course, if you move it too many gates, you gotta start over. There we go. That's some of them still hung up from the last time through. Oh yeah, we're gonna set it to a key real quick here. So, tool in, and just do this key. Okay, so now it's programmed. And make sure it's actually working and not just anything's gonna open it. Alright. And now we'll go ahead and we'll gut it here. I think I'm done picking sidebar locks, then I maybe done with the vise for a little while. Here's the key we set it to. And I need a clip tool. It's just a spacer ring that just came off. Alright, so I need a key. And don't even turn it. There's just some drill protection right there that came out. Obviously, it just fell into the pinning mat, but anyway, it's just a ball bearing used for drill protection to protect the sidebar. As you can see from the speed holes, it doesn't really matter where the drill protection is on the actual cylinder. So here's our sidebar. Up here. So that's our sidebar on this guy. If you ever do take one of these apart, there's two springs you can see in there. I've never seen one of those actually come out, but just be weary that it could, so you don't want to lose those if you do plan on putting it back together. So there's our sidebar, we'll just put that in there. There's our cassette. And if this goes south gutting it, it'd be here because all the something just fell in my hand. Oh wow, one of the sidebar springs just came out. Never had that happen before. One of these, but anyway, it's right there. So I'll take the little cassette out. And the sliders just fell off my finger right there. So there's a slider out of position number 1. Look at yeah, I tell you, man, using the damn vise really kind of gets in the way of everything. Okay, there's the slider in position number 1. Slider in position 2. 3. And it really doesn't matter because they're all the same. So there's all of our sliders. And our cassette that actually holds them. So, and our housing here. Here's the inside of the plug. See the key there, that little ball bearing right there, that's what fell out on the other side is the other ball bearing. But that's actually the little pins right there. You can see the little tabs right there that stick off of them. Actually, grab a pick. little tabs right here. That's what actually locks into the slider and determines what the bidding of the key is. It just keeps them actually, you know, it pulls them high enough, depending on which bidding of the key is, to actually allow the correct gate to grab the sidebar. Here's one. Oh, fuck. Here's one of the sliders right here. And what we're seeing, these are the little teeth that those little tabs interact with right there. And then this is our true gate right there. And then you can barely see the real small on the, trying to do some of the water here. Like these are the teeth that the little pins grab to lift up. Those get locked in when you reset the key. That's your true gate right there, that actually the sidebar sucks into when all 5 are lined up in the right area. Excuse me. And then all the little false gates. Let's see if you can see that or not here. These are all, yeah, you can. Okay, those are the false gates right there. The true gates in the middle right here, the bigger one, and these are all the false gates. So when you're picking these, you're just clicking one to the other. So that's a Smartkey, picked and gutted. And that'll do for this video. And we'll talk to everybody later.